Okay, DIYers, car parts that were replaced in 2025 on my 2002 Honda CRV LX front wheel drive, September to October of 2025. So here we go. Replace the radiator. This is a 23-year-old radiator, y'all. 23 years old. It lasted 23 years and has seen some better days. Okay, here are all of my sensors I've replaced in solenoids. So we have the VTEC solenoid, we have the VVT timing solenoid, replaced 4 fuel injectors, replaced my crankshaft seal that was behind my crankshaft. These are both my cam sensors. This was my knock sensor, which broke, so I replaced that. My coolant sensor, PCV valve. This is a, I can't remember the name of the sensor. I think it's on the transmission. I think it's a transmission oil type of a sensor or something like that. This is the coolant sensor that's on the transmission. I also replaced both of my solenoids, single head and double head solenoids. This is my serpentine belt. This is the tube for the PCV valve. And then we have my alternator, 23 years old, original alternator. Starter, which is 11 years old. It's marked on here. Water pump, which I replaced. Original water pump. Original crankshaft. Original power steering pump. Original intake body. Is it intake? Yeah, intake body. And the original tensioner. So these are all original Honda parts, with the exception of the starter. That's not original. And like I said, this was quite the project, and I'll be replacing in the spring of 2026 or early summer of 2026, June. I will be replacing my 4 engine mounts. I will be replacing my ABS front and rear sensors, and I will also be replacing my O2 sensors. I might be replacing my AC condenser. I'm not having any issues with my air conditioning unit. It works fine, so we'll see. But I just wanted to share with you, this was a major project, and it took me almost 2 months to complete, from September to the end of October. Okay, DIYers, not sure why my cell phone cut off, but let me finish. It took me about 2 months to complete this major project, and I got it done. I've learned a lot. I watched over 100 YouTube videos from mechanics, mobile mechanics, and DIYers, and the education and research that I received on YouTube is so valuable, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful. So as I continue to move forward, I will continue to post videos when I have them of projects that I'm doing on my CRV. It's work in progress. So, but I'm ready to get it on the road, get it broken in over the next 6 months, and I'll be back and I'll let you guys know how I'm doing and how everything's going with all the new sensors replaced and the original car parts for the SUV being replaced. All right, DIYers, I will holla at you. God bless you. May 2026 bring you many blessings, and continue to grind. I'm out. Peace.